Welcome to this dark electric universe presentation. As we know, the YMAP results showed that only 4.5% of the atoms in the universe could be found. Now, obviously God has created extra massless electromagnetic forces which are holding the universe together. The first of the dark forces is mass attraction, which is just G. The second of the dark forces is electromagnetic, which operates in the X and Y direction only. The third one is electrostatic, which is a very strong force of repulsion, which is in fact expanding the universe. Here we show a depiction of a galaxy. Of course, there are millions of stars in galaxies, but we've only shown 4 on this plan. They all spin around a magnetic hub, which is right at the centre. On the top right-hand corner, we show our own sun, and around which are running the planets, which are, of course, electrically attracted to the sun or their star. This slide shows the solar system that we are in. So you can see the planet Earth running around on the left-hand side of the screen and the sun is on the right. We are made of negative matter, and the sun, of course, is a big positive emitter of energy, and it is attracted, or we're attracted to it, by the electrostatic field. There's an electromagnetic field that runs around between the poles and the sun, which is marked on the drawing. So these dark forces that are operating in space need to be connected to each other by a MAGNOFLUX tunnel. And we have shown on this particular drawing our sun, which of course is shining most of its light straight to its planets, but it can also shine light to other stars, which we marked on the right hand side, and we've marked the tunnels in. It's like a magnetic tunnel that the energy or light is going to move through. So here we can see the two-split experiment to show that light is in fact MAGNOFLUX that spins through the two gaps. We can see the magnets go in on the left-hand side and come back out on the outside on the right-hand side, and the voltage is going forward. Now we know that domestic electricity moves at the speed of light. Therefore, it must be made of MAGNOFLUX and not electrons or particles. And we show on the left-hand side here that it needs a volume, a cubic volume in which to exist. If that cube gets squashed, then in fact we get bars or light which is only reactive. It's quantumized light. Well, matter is made up of electrical forces which are holding the double pyramid apart, as shown on this picture of a water molecule. You can see the magnet. The top half of the pyramid is in fact not touchable, but only the bottom part, which we feel as matter, and this is a water molecule. For proof of concepts of MAGNOFLUX, we would like you to look at the following video clips, which we've detailed at the bottom. Thank you so much for watching this presentation.